We got ourselves a mail call. Alright. He said he was sending me something, but I have no idea what he was sending me. Oh. Oh. That is badass. I was actually looking at these on, I watched this video, but I was looking at these. Oh, there's something in here too. Oh, cool. He's got a, looks like some of the pieces of the tassel fell off, but he got keychain, Mark KratzMC. That's really cool. Looks like some of the pieces fell off though. The postal service. You know what? These are actually really timely, and I'll show you why. So what I did is I actually bought a book on Amazon. It was Survival Bushcraft for Beginners. So I was thinking maybe I'd do some videos on some of the stuff, but it looks more wordy than how-to. But with these books, I'll just do all three together, and maybe I'll do some videos on all the three books. These are really cool. I love these. There's like a lot of great information, some how-to, some steps you can do. That's badass. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. That is really cool. Well, there's a note in here. I'll read that off camera. Yeah, these are really cool, Mark. Thank you very much. Appreciate that, brother. I'm definitely going to be taking... I'm actually going camping this weekend, so... Excuse me. Give me something to thumb through and maybe do some videos on as well. Alright. Thanks again. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next one. Don't forget Mark's channel will be down in the description, as always. And here's his channel sticker. Really cool guy.